This is a high-voltage power line, made primarily of either copper or aluminum, plus some insulation. It's used to move electricity across long distances. But today, it's in short supply. Getting your hands on a direct current cable can take more than 5 years. And the price of cables and transformers is now almost double what it was in 2019. That's complicating plans to install thousands of kilometers of lines by the end of this decade. Around the world, populations are growing, and the rising use of air conditioning, artificial intelligence, electric cars, and more is pushing up demand for power. Global investment in power transmission grew by 10% in 2023 to reach $140 billion. But to meet rising electricity demand, it needs to reach more than $200 billion a year by the mid-2030s.